So in this video, we're going to create a new obstacle for our player. So this is going to be in the form of a wall that they have to move out the way. So I'm going to take the wall we've already got. I'm just going to clone it. So we've got a separate wall. And I'm just going to edit the look of this very, very quickly. I'm just going to make it white. I'm going to drag this in. And I'm going to resize it to fill this gap, making it look slightly different to the wall we've had before. So this wall's in our way. If we check the behaviors, it's already inherited the solid one because it's just a clone of the wall before. So our player can't get past this and get to the other side. We want to make it so the player can move and get that back. So how can the player move this wall out the way? So we're going to go first to add a new behavior. And the behavior that we want is drag and drop. So if we run this again now, and our wall's in the way, it can get moved out the way so our player can get past. One thing to be slightly wary of when using this though is this, so that we're able to push our player around with this option and we can get some weird stuff happen. It's just something to bear in mind. How can we change this wall slightly to work a little bit better then? Well, we can click on this and we can scroll down and we can change the axis. We can say that this can only be moved on the vertical axis, up and down. What this means now is that we can't drag it across to our player, but we can drag it down out the way. So this way, the only way the player can do some weird stuff is like that. And as you can see, it's quite normal. It's just going to push the player slightly out of the way, but we don't get any weird stuff happen. So it's a very, very simple thing you can add to your level. Add some mouse movement in. The player can pick up and drag objects either up and down, left or right, or across the screen. Just bear in mind they can move it across the screen. They have complete control to move that object anywhere.